AI video creators, the future of effortless high-converting visual content, unlocking the power of AI-driven video creation for businesses and marketers. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, video content is no longer optional, it's essential. Businesses seeking to stand out, engage audiences, and drive conversions must embrace tools that streamline the production of compelling video. AI video creators are revolutionizing the way we craft visual narratives, making high-quality video content creation not only efficient, but remarkably affordable. What is an AI video creator? An AI video creator is an advanced software platform that leverages artificial intelligence to automate and enhance the video production process. These platforms allow users to input scripts, text prompts, or even URLs, and automatically generate videos using preset templates, stock footage, synthetic voiceovers, and animations. Key features typically include script-to-video generation AI voiceovers in multiple languages, facial and avatar video presentations, custom branding and visual elements, automatic subtitle generation. Benefits of AI video creators for business growth. 1. Scalability without creative bottlenecks. Traditional video production is time-consuming and expensive. AI video creators eliminate these hurdles by enabling the production of dozens of videos in hours, not weeks. Marketing campaigns, training modules, and product videos can now be scaled effortlessly. 2. Cost efficiency for small to large enterprises. With AI tools, businesses no longer need large creative teams or costly freelancers. This drastically reduces expenses associated with equipment, editing, and talent, making video marketing accessible to solopreneurs and large enterprises alike. 3. Rapid content repurposing across channels. Input a blog post or social media caption, and AI can convert it into a visually engaging video suitable for YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or Facebook.